U.S. futures drop, Asian stocks mixed, yen slips, markets wrap, Yahoo Canada Finance. Telus network restored in Alberta after morning outage, Edmonton Journal. MSNBC, MSNBC. MSNBC, MSNBC. House Party privacy concerns surface, Android Authority. Hubble spots black hole missing link Forbes. Canadian nurses working with COVID-19 patients demand legal right to wear N95 masks, National Post. Power and Politics, CBC News. Power and Politics, CBC News. SpaceX's first crewed operational mission just doubled its passengers, BGR. CNA Lifestyle, CNA. CNA Lifestyle, CNA. Samsung to cease traditional LCD production, move to quantum dot OLEDs, Anand.